Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing on how to integrate Minikube and Jenkins using Windows operating system. Let us look into it. I have categorized this entire video into four sections. One, which is your Docker and Jenkins installation, and second, the Minikube installation and configuration, and step 3, you will be doing plugin creation of Kubernetes and then doing some configuration, and finally monitoring the parts in the Kubernetes. For the people who already have Docker and Jenkins installed on your machine, on your Windows machine, you can ignore step 1. Let me show you on how to install Docker and Jenkins in Windows machine. For the interest of time, I already downloaded Docker Desktop and Jenkins in my local. Let me go and do the installation one after the other. The installation is in progress. I'll put a video on pause. In case if you are having any virtual box or VMware, make sure that the first checkbox is enabled and give OK. So Docker is installed successfully. Give close, and then you can go and do the Jenkins installation. For your Jenkins, you need to have your JDK. You need to have JDK as a prerequisite. Please see my other video where I have shown Jenkins installation in Windows machine. Check your test port. And here, since I already have a JDK 11, so that is the path I'm giving here. For your Jenkins to work, you need to have JDK 11 onwards. Give next, install. I'm pausing this video. Jenkins installation is completed. Give finish. Now you have completed both Docker Desktop and Jenkins. Go back to our presentation now. So we have completed our prerequisite. Now let us go and do the step number 2. For to install Minikube, you need to have Docker up and running. So Docker is already running. I'm going to follow the step 2 and the corresponding commands I put everything on the notepad. So this might take a little longer. I'll pause the video. So now Minikube is installed. You can verify by executing the kubectl command. Get notes. This says that your Minikube is installed and we have like one control plane which is already ready. Let me create a Jenkins namespace. The reason why we are doing creating a Jenkins namespace, this details should be given in the Jenkins job. So now we have created the namespace. Now we are going to create a service account. And then we are going to create a token. Okay, copy this token in your notepad. This will be needed at later point of time. So now I'll just keep it here. Okay, now we have created the token, and then we need to create a role binding. So basically what we are doing here, we are just creating a cluster role equal to admin for the namespace and service account what we have created. Okay, so now we have completed the step 2. So now we are going to do all the step A to F in step 3 in Jenkins. So before that, you need to know the password for you to log in into the Jenkins. For the first time, this is something what you need to do. Go back to my PowerShell. So this is the password. Copy and paste it here. You continue and click install suggested plugin. This might take a little longer. I'm going to pause the video. I'm setting up a username, cube user, and name as m7else. Save and continue. And this is going to be our URL. Save and finish. Okay, going back to our presentation. We are, as a first step, we need to create this Kubernetes plugin. Let us see how are we going to do it. Go to manage Jenkins, plugins, click available plugins, type Kubernetes. Sorry, you need to click this and install. So it will also install all the required, the dependent plugin, everything will be installed together. I'm going to pause a video. Okay, your plugin installation is completed. Go back to your manage Jenkins. So now let's go back to your PPT. So now we have to create credentials. Go here, and then there is something called credentials. You can click system. That we can even do this in a different way. Let me show you. So go to manage Jenkins and then click cloud, new cloud, click Kubernetes. This can be any name, create, and go here. So you need to know what is your Kubernetes URL. So go back to your PowerShell, kubectl config view. Here it will tell you what is your URL. Copy this, enter, and then give it over here. And here the credential. This is what I told earlier. You can also create a credential by going into the respective cloud Kubernetes. So click. So right now you will not have anything, and go and click Jenkins. And here you can choose the option secret text, and then this can be any name. Okay, sorry, the secret is what you have copied in your notepad, the token. I'm going to reuse the token now. So I just copied the command. When you execute this command, the token got generated, right? That token is what I copied it in my notepad. Copy this and give it under secret, and this can be any name. Secret token, add. Okay, disable HTTPS certificate check, because this is for our demo only. If you wanted to do it in a production, copy the certificate file from the .cubes directory, and then you can attach to it this particular plugin. And now go here and select the one what you have created. Test your connection. Okay, it's throwing some error. Okay, because the namespace what we have created is Jenkins. Give the same. Now give test connection. See, now test connection is successful. So going back to our PPT, we have completed till 3D. Now we have to create a pipeline and run Jenkins pipeline. So one more configuration is still pending. So you need to select WebSocket and need to copy this URL and place over here, and then give save. That's it. Okay. So with that, you have almost completed step 3, but you have to create the pipeline, create a Jenkins pipeline, and then you have to run a pipeline. Go here, create new item, test pipeline, yeah, pipeline, and you okay. And you can inside your pipeline. I already have some content. What I'm going to do, I will copy and paste over here. So this one I'll put it in my GitHub account, so where you can copy this script and use it for your um, for whenever you do this, follow this job my video, you can copy this from my GitHub account. You save, apply and save. Okay, so now we have completed the step 3. Now what we need to do, we have to run this job. At the same time, I wanted to monitor these parts. Okay, so let me go and open my PowerShell, like kubectl get pods hyphen watch. Okay, -n Jenkins. There is no parts right now under Jenkins. I'm going to watch. Okay, so now we have created a, let me make it. Okay, I'm going to run this job. You see here, when the job get kicked off, you can see that there are like a few nodes, few agents that is automatically get created. So this is all like happening happening dynamically. So wait for some time, because it is currently in pending state. At some point of time, it will become a running status. Yeah, you see here, Jenkins job is completed. At the same time, when the job gets completed, the pods or whatever the agent that is running also get terminated. Okay, you can see. So I hope you understand how to integrate your Jenkins windows with your Minikube windows. Please let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching.